Hey, Rob from ViewSonic. Today we're going to talk about the embedded browser. So to open it, we're going to tap on the embedded browser icon, and you'll immediately see your tiles. Some will be default, others you can customize through your myFollowMe AI. At the bottom, you have your usual browser tools, as well as our unique myViewBoard tools, such as the pen that allows you to annotate only within the browser, the laser, of course erase, as well as screen capture, and even the widget browser. So with a widget browser, we can use it to display different types of information on the board at the same time. So maybe I want to go to Wikipedia and learn more about ViewSonic. So I'll type that in. Once the information is there, I can drag the widget over here and keep it on my board. And maybe I'll go back to the embedded browser, go to the ViewSonic YouTube channel. Maybe I want to have a video from their latest product, so I can drag and drop the link into the board. Now I have a second widget, and now I have both pieces of information here, the written and the latest video. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel.